What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Before we begin, guys, I definitely want to give you a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart because the Mustang Diecast channel finally reached the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Cannot have done it without you. Like I said in the comments on one of my last videos, that it is not just my channel, it is your guys' channel as well. You guys put in the requests. A lot of you do trades with me, and that is where a lot of my content comes from, and I definitely am grateful for every single person. So guys, along with that, this is going to be an awesome unbox. Of course, you can see right here, I did receive 4 packages. I just met up with Kingnut Diecast and he gave me these 2 boxes. This one is from him personally for my birthday, which is tomorrow. And then this is also from Honest Diecast. So I don't know what's in here, but apparently it is on their uploads, which they should be posting tonight. So definitely stay tuned and go check them out. I'll have both of their links down below. And then I got another happy birthday man from Nate, and then a package from Diecast Clown. When I do receive packages in this volume, it does overwhelm me a little bit because I always just feel guilty. Now, a lot of them are trades or on the front end of a trade. But I don't know what Derek has for me, and I definitely don't know what Kingnut got me. I somewhat remember what me and Nate were discussing, and then I definitely know what is in here, but we'll get to that in a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and start off with the one from Kingnut Diecast. This is his birthday present to me, and I definitely am excited to see what is in this. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Look at this bad boy right here, the 1965 Ford Mustang Gasser in a competition orange. Almost has a, actually it's a pearlescent orange. Man, that is so sick. Look at that. It's part of the NHRA M2 lineup to go perfectly with the Fox body ones that I have. And of course all the other Gassers, but check this out, guys. Kingnut, I definitely do thank you. This is an awesome birthday present. This thing is super sick. Let me get a shot of this color right here. Look at that. Look at that metallic flake in there. And those wheels are really nice. Man, that is clean. Thank you so much for that. All right, so this is the box that Kingnut got from Honest Diecast. And we're going to go ahead and see what is in this box. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, no way. Oh, that is so sick. This is my first chase car for M2. Look at that, 750 piece chase car right here. Look at this 1970 Boss 429. That is super clean. Oh, I definitely was not expecting that. I know I'd seen him post about this, but I definitely wasn't expecting that. And it's going to go perfectly with his little brother right there, the old mainline version. But this is absolutely an amazing cast. And this is my first M2 chase in my entire collection. This thing is super clean. Look at that, guys. Got the white wheels and the green Goodyear tires all the way around. That is sick. And the fact he put this in the Protecto pack, thank you so much for that. And then check this out, guys. You got the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Custom in a competition orange. Now, I do have this one, guys. I have it sitting up here, and it's been in my collection for a very long time, but I've always wanted to open it up, but I've never, ever stumbled across this one again. I can't remember when I bought it, but now I can open this up. We're probably going to save this for a Free It Friday video. Check this out. Man, that is so clean too. Thank you so much for sending me that. That is awesome. Definitely wish that I would have hooked up with you and Kingnut and do an epic collab, but that is soon to come, guys. Stay tuned for that. I'm sure that's going to be happening in the future. It's just Honest Diecast lives a lot further than me and Kingnut do. So we're going to go ahead and open up the one from Nate. You can see we've used and abused this box. This is the same box that we send back and forth when we're doing our trades. And it definitely has seen better days. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, guys, here we go. God, this box needs to be changed out. Nice wraps right here. All right, what do we got? I see new for 2021, the Carbonator. Check this out, guys. Another sick Happy New Year's vehicle. And I'll have it right here next to the Quick Bite 2021. That is sweet. All right, let's see. What else do we got? Looks like we got the white Honda Civic Type R to finally complete my Honda Civic set right here. So now we have the white, the red, the black, the Zamac, and then, oh yeah, the white racing livery one. So my Honda Civic Type R set is finally complete. So this is my second complete set, which yesterday my Porsche 917 LH was another set I completed. So definitely stoked to have this one. And check this out. He hooked it up with the Mazda RX-7 in silver. Oh man, I had seen this a few months back and I passed it up. And it was just definitely one of the things like, why did I pass that up at that time? But this is going to go nicely with my Mazdas. Where's my Mazdas at? Right here. The coolant green. And now I have the super clean metallic silver flake, which definitely looks a little bit better. I loved the green at first because it's like a pearl. But this silver and the card just looks really nice. Man, that is sick. All right, so the next one is one of my all-time favorite JDM cars ever. The 88 Honda CRX. Look at this, guys. This thing is clean. All black, nice rear tampos for the taillights. Look at that detail. That's actually really nice. You got the gold MC5s. And then, of course, no tampos on the front. But look at that, guys. That thing is super new for 2019, really? I thought this cast was a little bit older than that, but that is sick. Yeah, so awesome set of cars right here. The Honda Civic, the Mazda RX-7, and the CRX are definitely heavy hitters in the JDM world, in my opinion. So, Nate, thank you so much for sending me that. That is an awesome, awesome package right there. And then last but definitely not least, this is from Diecast Clown. We're going to go ahead and open up this one. All right, come on. Try not to destroy anything. Okay, I don't know if I opened this upside down. I think I opened it upside down. But let's see. Let's dig this out. Oh, I could already see some awesome card work right here. Oh man, oh, stuff's about to fall out, guys. Stuff's about to fall out. Oh, look at that. This is the Honda Civic Type R that he was originally going to send me. And look at that, guys. I definitely have a second Civic Type R in white. That's hilarious. Got both in the same day. That is funny because now I can open up that one and take it for pictures. This one's card's a little bit bent, so I'll keep the one that's in better shape. But let's see what this is. What is this one? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot he was going to send me this. Check this out, guys. This is an epic Johnny Lightning out of the classic gold collection. This is one of 2,500 and it is the 1973 Mustang Mach 1. This is my first 73 in my entire 164 collection because I think I only stop at 71 and then I start the 92 Fox body. So this is my very first 73 Mustang right here, and check this out. It is a nice bright red poly. Have the really nice Mach 1 striping on the hood as well as the side black interior, and this thing is really nice. Look at that card art. That is sweet. This is release number 4 and this came out of 2018's version A release 4. Check this out, guys. This is nice. Let's see. I gotta find room now next to the other Johnny Lightnings. Let's see. Let's move this there for right now. And put this one up top. And then this one can go over here. I have so much stuff, guys. It's starting to get to where it's a little unorganized up on top, but check that out, guys. Thank you so much for all of you sending me this. Nate, thank you so much. Diecast Clown, thank you so much for sending the Type R that I needed. Looks like Nate got the drop first, but definitely appreciate both of them. And then, of course, the Johnny Lightning is super sick. The chase car from Honest Diecast, that is cherry right there. And then, of course, I cannot forget my buddy Kingnut for hooking me up with this super clean orange 65 gasser. Thank you all so very much for sending me these. And it's funny because I was looking at this black CRX at the hobby store the other day, and I was really wanting to buy it, but I just didn't pull the trigger, and I'm glad I didn't because now I have this one in my collection. Of course, the RX-7. I'm glad I was able to get this one back in my hands for passing it up the last time I seen it. Again, guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. And of course, if you haven't, consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay tuned for more future videos like this, peg hunting videos, as well as my Free Friday. If you want to know what all those videos are, check the description box down below. I'll have my playlist so you can binge watch everything on the channel. But again, thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. I could not do it without you. All the love and support is just overwhelming, and I definitely do appreciate every single one of you. So that's all I got, guys. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.